Just looking at which rule. Is it the sine rule or the cosine rule? Okay, so this is for a non-right angle triangle. So if we look at a few different triangles, I'm just going to look at them and just get them ready. And we're just going to work out which rule. Right, so when you're looking at which rule, the first couple of things that you need to remember, you need to check out how many angles are inside the shape. Okay, because if you have one angle, then it will be cos. And if you have two angles, it will actually be sine. Further, you know that it is sine if you can cross them over like that. Okay, so if you can actually draw like surfboards. So if you look at this one, you can do it that way, but you can't do it the other way. Neither can you with that one because it's got one angle. In order for you to do them, you need two angles. And they're opposite the sides. So these ones here are sine rules. And this one here they have one angle, so they would be cos. Further on that, the first one there, that is finding a side. So the sine A on A equals B on sine B. Okay, so it's finding a side, so you put the side on top. This one here is the cos rule, that one. So it's finding an angle. So finding an angle for cos is cos C is A squared plus B squared minus C squared over 2AB. This one here is the cos rule. It's finding a side. So C squared is A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cos C. That's that rule. This one's the sine and it's an angle. So when it's an angle, the angle must be on top. So it's sine A on A is sine B on B. Okay. All right, and this one here, that's the same. Sine A on A equals sine B on B. So, once again, one angle sine and two angles cos. So if that was 47, 9 and, 17, and this was 5, 3, 6. Okay, then the first one here, it's got two angles. That means it must be sine. And this one has one angle, so it must be cos.